Hello friends, I'm super excited to be here. Today is another Friday and trust me, we're gonna finish this. Yes, we're gonna finish this savings challenge and I'm super excited to get this done. Let me see what is going on here. Let me put the money in the trade and we will talk about it. Yes, if you are ready to start, let the drum roll. We're gonna start again by next week or in 2 weeks by the end of this month, and we're gonna do it one more time before the year ends. So are you ready? If you are ready, let me know in the comment that you are ready with your 100 MV savings challenge. If you don't have one, you can grab one in my store. I think after this video I might do a quick sale so that everybody can go grab one. Yeah, I'll do about 25%. So if you don't have one, I have it in my shop. I hope everybody is doing very well. Let's go through the book. I like going through this for you guys to see where we are. I hope everybody is doing very well. I'm doing fabulous. Yeah, I travel for a business trip and I'm back home, super excited that I'm back. Look at this. Is this not cute? We're gonna finish it today. Super excited. I can't wait to count it to see the amount. I have done it so many different ways that this one was also a big one for me. It was like multiples of 10. I was saving them for my multiples of 10. I was doing them like the same amount. Like today I'm going to put in $100 here instead of $1 because I would do one time instead of nothing. No, I would do plus. So 1 plus 0 will be 1, but here today is going to be 10. Yes, that's how cool this is. So let's start. We do have 3 of them. So excited to finish this challenge. If you haven't get your stuff, you start getting your stuff. I think by the end of this month I'm gonna kickstart it again and we're gonna do it to the end of the year. Every penny count, trust me. If you are the type that saving into your savings account is getting tough for you, try the savings challenge and you will be able to save quite a little bit. So for today, let me see. So 8 plus 9 is gonna be $17. So this lot will get 17 instead of 89. We are doing the addition for those who are new here. Nine plus 0 is 9. Nine plus 1 is 10. Then 9. Nine plus 2 is 11. Nine plus 3 is 12. Nine plus 4 is 13. So for those of you who are new here, you see how it's going. We are just adding up the double numbers. Then 9 plus 5 is 14. Then 9 plus 6 is 15. Nine plus 7 is 16. Nine plus 8 is 17. I think, let me see. Okay, so that would be 17. 9 plus that would be 18. So both of them will be 35. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put 17 here, and I'll put 15 here, and then put, so that it will sum up to be the same. I think I didn't make available for enough change, but that's okay. Put 20 here. Okay, then this one, for my multiples of 10, I was doing 100. So let's say, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this one will be 100 instead of 1. It's gonna be 100. Okay, so this is how far we are. We are done with this challenge. Let me literally start all over again. And we're gonna start again. For those of you who are new here, we're gonna start again. Super excited. Let me mark it and I'll do the math to see how much we put in. So done today. I can't wait to start again. Look at that. Is this not cool? So if you want to start a challenge, if you want to save little by little and you are kind of confused, you can save into your savings account. It's a struggle. Try the savings challenge and it works. So I can't wait to count it. So I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.